Look at my Windows 11 right now. And now look at how it's going to look in just 5 minutes. All you need is two free apps. Hey guys, welcome back to Gearxard. Today I'm going to show you how to customize Windows 11 so good that your friends will think you're on a Mac. The first app is called Lively Wallpaper. It's completely free, you can find it in the Microsoft Store. Just install it. And now I can set any video or animation as my wallpaper. Watch this. I'm picking an animated forest and boom. The desktop is alive. The best part? Lively barely uses any CPU, so your games won't be affected at all. Second app is Translucent TB, also free on the Microsoft Store. It makes your taskbar transparent or blurred, exactly like those clean setups you see on Reddit. You can set it to fully transparent on the desktop, blurred when a window is open, and dark in full screen mode. Here's my final setup. Invisible taskbar, live wallpaper, super clean.